Yeah.
Hi, this is Adrian Melero once again with Miami Acupuncture Therapy, and today we're going to talk about medical marijuana myths. The medical marijuana, I don't even like to say medical marijuana because marijuana is like a street name, even though in the state of Florida that's like the legal name. It should be called medical cannabis because it is a herbal plant, a medicinal plant. But over the last few years, the medical use has been rising in popularity as far as legalizations in different states. Now in Florida 2 years ago in 2016, it became legal to use it medicinally here under a very special, specific controlled protocol. And many are probably wondering how effective it really is, if it's really just an excuse to use it recreationally. Well, I'm here to dispel several myths. First of all, the medically prescribed medical marijuana, the way it's done with the dispensaries, the ratio, the strain of the plants, the amount of THC, CBD, etc. The dose is low enough where you don't have a psychoactive effect. So those who are using an excuse to use it recreationally, you're not really going to get the recreational benefit of it, whether you use it as a vape or whatever. Or secondly, those who are seeking to use it recreationally, it's actually much cheaper to buy it illegally in the street than to go through the whole thing of getting the medical. And it's usually very rarely smoked. It's more, in my opinion, the most effective way. It's orally. I'll make another video. I'm gonna make another video on the most effective way to receive the medical benefit of it. But comparing medical marijuana to illegal recreational marijuana is like comparing liquor alcohol to rubbing alcohol, and basically that's how ridiculous it is. And since you don't really get a psychoactive effect, I don't think you can really consider medical marijuana a gateway drug, and it's actually less, if even at all, addictive compared to like opioids or alternatives to other pain medications. There's less side effects. So I think people should open their mind and get rid of that stigma in their mind, like, oh, cannabis, medical marijuana, as you've been trained, you've been indoctrinated from a very young age, it's bad, but used in a proper context, I think is very beneficial. Probably one of the very top elite level plants medicinally, considering like the receptors, which I will go into more detail in future videos about it. So that's pretty much my 2 cents about it. In future videos, we're gonna go over different conditions that it helps, backed up by studies. There's gonna be a video about best way to consume it and ingest it. There's going to be another video about how to get your medical cannabis card legally in Florida so you can receive the benefit, and how not to get scammed. I'm going to discuss a couple conditions it resolves, a few conditions, and there's also going to be a video describing the difference between THC and CBD, the CBD from hemp, the difference, which one helps for what, and each one has its place and value. So be sure to stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe so you can get the good stuff.